Here is the question. Using Gauss law, find field due to an infinitely long straight uniformly charged wire. So यहाँ फाइंड करना है गॉस लॉ का यूज करके इनफाइनेटली लॉन्ग स्ट्रेट यूनिफॉर्मली चार्ज वायर के लिए इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड फाइंड करनी है. Then what is Gauss law? First of all, we discuss here Gauss law. Gauss law. According to Gauss law, flux through a closed surface equals to Q upon epsilon naught. This is the Gauss law, where Q is the total charge. Q is the total charge that is enclosed by the surface, and flux equals to E dot ds. So here is the wire which is uniformly charged, and we have to find electric field due to this wire. So here we draw a Gaussian surface that enclosed the wire. यहाँ पे हमने एक गॉसियन सरफेस ड्रॉ कर दिया. ये जो है इस वायर को इनक्लोज कर रही है, और हम यहाँ पे फ्लक्स फाइंड कर रहे हैं. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल we discuss the direction. At this point, electric field is directed outward, and the area vector del ds is also directed outwards. At the top, this is the electric field, but the area vector is perpendicular, and similarly at the bottom, this is the electric field and this is the area. So here theta equals to 90 degree, here theta equals to 0 degree, and here theta equals to 90 degree. This one is called phi 1, this is phi 2, and this is phi 3. So E dot ds here cos 90. If you calculate, phi 1 equals to phi 3 equals to 0, and phi 3 equals to E ds, because cos 0. E dot ds इसको ब्रेक करेंगे तो ये लिखेंगे E ds cos theta. ठीक है. So according to Gauss law, what is Gauss law? It states that total flux through this surface, Gaussian surface, flux phi equals to Q upon epsilon naught. Here we assign the length of the wire L This is the length of the cylinder, and this is the radius of the cylinder. So flux equals to E ds, and we integrate, equals to Q upon epsilon naught. E is the constant, and ds is the curved surface area of the cylinder, which is equals to 2 pi r L, equals to Q upon epsilon naught. So E equals to Q upon 2 pi epsilon naught r L. If we define a term lambda, which is equals to charge per unit length, L, charge per unit length. So for this length, Q equals to lambda into L. So here we replace Q upon L by lambda. So E equals to lambda upon 2 pi epsilon naught r. This is the required expression for electric field through the wire.